Good morning. What the fuck? Good morning.
You want keys? You want keys?
You tricked me on that one. I didn't think you were gonna come out with a you want keys. Go.
Hi.
Oh, you tricked me again. Hi.
You want keys? You want keys?
Do you want a keys? You're always asking if everyone else wants a keys. Does anybody ever ask if you want a keys? You want keys?
You want keys? Hi.
Hi. You want keys?
You
What
want
the
keys?
fuck?
Good morning.
Good morning. Can we do a wah? Can we do dippy doos instead? That's much better. Love your dippy doos.
One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap.
Oh my gosh. I gotta videotape this. He's talking. I wasn't crazy. No. This bird is talking. What the heck? That's crazy.
Yeah.
What else could it say?
I don't know. I don't even know
Tweet,
what he's
tweet,
saying.
tweet.
Tweet, tweet. The bird is actually.
It is talking. I swear to God.
We have video.
Listen. Oh!
He's so cute.
Is it real?
I don't know. Is it like a robot? Like, because that's a pretty good moving robot.
What?
Why is a bird? Yeah, say something.
Are you afraid of me? Wait.
It's like saying something talk about. Look, its eyes look
Ew,
like
it just
cameras.
Wait, it just peed. It just pooed.
I know.
Did you snap back into it, bro?
Oh my gosh.
All right, we gotta go, guys. This is getting weird.
Careful, Willow.
Okay, yeah, I was scared of him. Like,
Dude, get out of here. Whoa!
Wait,